Ooh, right up in here might be good right now. With this depth, I've gotten some decent ones out of here. Oh, there's some movement. There we go. Fish on. What was I saying? Where are you? Can't tell. Little snake. There she goes. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, and she caught it by hand. Let's go. Nice, Everly. Toss him back. Good catch. Oh, that was cool. So if you're trying to find Sarah, she takes the John bone out. I taught her how to start it and get it going. Yeah, you know, new to the boat. She's like, let me get used to it. Look where she is. She is fucking, oh my goodness. I like, when I took it out my first time, I went barely far. Oh my gosh. Are you going to the other islands? Oh my gosh. I know, she's, yeah, going across sea like Rowan said. I'm like, Jesus, okay. Be safe.